My name is Cauleen Smith, and the film that I have in this exhibit is called Pilgrim. Pilgrim is a film that was made from lots of 16 millimeter mostly film that I took while I was visiting different sites where utopias happened. But the heart of the film was actually filmed beautifully in 4K by my friend Arthur Jaffa, AJ, and it centers around the ashram and mandir that once stood in Calabasas, California, where Alice Coltrane or Swami Satchidananda shared her teachings and music. So the film Pilgrim begins just with this image of this organ that's encased in acrylic and dust, the sunlight shooting through the dust as it kind of falls around it. Couldn't access it or play it, and it was a revered object. It's so interesting, one of the first records that really got me enthralled by her is called Eternity, and on that song, I don't know the title of the song, but chanted over and over again is California. It seems to be a message that she's sending and receiving about having to go west to California, and I was really intrigued with that. I loved these world-building musicians who don't just do music, but they are placemakers and have ensembles of people with them thinking the same thing they think, or thinking with them about ideas. When the purpose of your music is so large that it has to be enacted through place and with other people. It can't just be you writing or composing. It has to be enacted by lots of other people. Lots of other people have to contribute. I love that idea.